Hi guys! Okay, meron lang ako mga very quick concerns na i-address. First of all is, again, I'm on a different area. Andito pa rin ako sa office. I'm always filming in the office. Pero andito naman ako sa... It's a different room. And I was about to do makeup for today and naisip ko, why not isama ko kayo, diba? Second concern, this is the same jacket that I wore in my last video. But take note, tatlong linggo ang pagitan nila. Okay, I didn't wear this like in a span of few days. So for today's video, guys, sinabi ko, this is going to be a get ready with me. And I'm sorry kung naririnig yung aircon kasi malakas yung aircon sa area na to. But we're also going to wear test the new Vice Cosmetics products na nirelease nila last December. Actually, no, not last December, but last year. So, i-wear test ko yung Aura Blush ng Vice Cosmetics. This is in the shade Uploaded. And then, yung Aura Glow in the shade Splendid. And then, yung Aura Contour in the shade Confirm. And I also have the Velvet Liquid Lip Kit in the shade Camilla Vu. So, without further ado, let's get into the makeup. So for today, ang gagamitin ko is yung foundation from Blair Cosmetics. This is the all-in-one Invisible Cover Foundation for all skin tones, but you know, not really. Dahil medyo maputito sa akin, hahaloan ko siya nung aking Maybelline Gigi Hadid Tinted Primer. Alright guys, so una kong gagawin is I'm going to contour my face and I am using the Aura Contour in the shade Confirm. Dun sa, ilan ba yung contour shades? Was it 2 or 3? Pero dun sa lahat ng contour shades na nilabas, yung pinaka-dark na yung kinuha ko. Because why get a contour shade kung, alam mo yun, light lang naman. So actually, meron ako initial thoughts about the contour shade. It is a very pigmented contour powder. Kita nyo naman. But, medyo masyado pa siyang brownie for me. Parang masyado pa siyang warm. Eh, pag contour kasi, maganda yung mga, ang tawag dito, cool toned. O yung parang may grayish effect. Or may grayish color. Yun talaga, mamimimik niya yung shadow ng kapayatan. Pero eto kasi, legit, ano siya, brown. Next ko may contour is my nose. Depende siguro sa skin tone mo. It could work as a, you know, nice contour. Pero, parang ano eh, more on bronzing siguro, more on putting color into your face, entire face, not just yung pang chiseled ng Fes Lacou. Yeah, pwede naman siya. Okay naman siya. Pero in person, kita mo nga na it's brown and it's contour powder. Actually, guys, it is so pigmented, we can also use it as an eyeshadow. May napanood akong video ni Genzel Laces. So pretty girl. So, I love you, Genzel, if you're watching this. Ginawa niyang eyeshadow yung mga blushes, and I'm not sure kung nagamit din niya yung contour. But actually, you can also use this as an eyeshadow. Kaya, tingnan din natin. I-take advantage na rin natin. Tingnan rin natin ngayon if effect siya as an eyeshadow. Oh, diba? And like I usually do, eyeshadow at the bottom as well. Okay, so next thing we're going to use is the blushy blush. And I only got the shade Uploaded kasi parang eto lang yung shade na parang wala ako. Because I have a corally shade, I have a really pink shade, pero yung parang ganito na plum-ish. Wala ako niyan. So this is my blush brush. Believe it or not, malinis na yan, silagay na yan. This is a newly cleaned brush. So Uploaded is isa sa mga matte shades. is so nice. In person, para siyang subtle plum pink color. And on your cheeks, it looks like that as well. So why not poknat? I-try din natin to as an eyeshadow. And then, ilalagay ko lang siya sa gitna. Hindi siya masyadong kita, pero in person, nagkaroon naman siya ng plum-ish tint. And I'm also going to put here. Okay, so next part naman is yung highlighter. And naglabas sila ng tatlo. Shiny, shimmering, splendid. But I got the splendid kasi my favorite highlighters are yung white, silvery. If I'm not mistaken, yung nauna kasi is rose gold, and then the other one is bronze gold yata. And this one is yung perfect white champagne. Parang ito kasi yung pinaka-pigmented in the highlights eh. So I think kinuha ko. So I'm going to use yung blush brush again. Tataktakin ko lang ng very slight. And then, yung side lang ang gagamitin ko. Kasi wala kang dalang highlighter brush. So, yung, ito lang, itong side lang na to. Do you see that? And if I want to achieve yung parang glowy brush, I can just mix this too, and then lightly dab it doon sa highlighter, and then I can achieve a glowy blush. And it looks so flawless, looks so natural. So before I proceed with the lips, maglagay muna ako ng eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll be back. So it's time for us to do the lips, and isa lang yung binili ko because I want to try it muna. Honestly guys, wala akong balak i-wear test to. Kaya lang kasi si Madame Anne Klutz, meron siyang video na pinost, parang best lip products yata, or lip tints, or something like that, or velvet, something like that. And then sinabi niya na parang mas long lasting ito compared sa Colorette velvet tint. Was it Colorette or Skin Potions? Basta sinabi niya mas long lasting daw to something. I'm not sure kung velvet tint o yung Skin Potion. So I'm like, mas long lasting? Eh parang pinaka long lasting na na-try ko is yung na lip velvet is yung sa Colorette. So we're gonna see how long lasting it is. So it comes with a retractable, thank God, lip pencil. So to test out kung may tulong ba tong lip pencil na to, kasi honestly personally hindi ako ma-lip pencil. So, tingnan natin kung malaking tulong pa ito. Ang lalagyan ko lang ng lip pencil is itong side na to, and then this side is just this one. It's not a very creamy lip pencil. Lip pencil talaga guys, ang main use niya is to outline your lips, lalo na kung hindi ka sanay mag-precisely apply ng liquid color or ng lipstick. Pero binuo ko na, nilagyan ko na lahat because I really want to see kung may effect ba siya. So, ang lalagyan muna natin is itong side na to. So, this is the shade Kumelavu. is already 6:05 and kuya, ina mo konti. And I just want to give you a quick update on what I look like. So, medyo nag-oil up na ako, to be completely honest, because I have oily combination skin. My T-zone is so oily. But I still have the glow, I still have the contour, and I still have the blush, of course. And oh my god, look at my lips. So, medyo nabawasan na yung inner corners. See, for a liquid lipstick na hindi naman kiss-proof, this is pretty, I must say, long-lasting. Yeah, but I'm quite surprised kasi hindi siya kiss-proof. It does transfer, but it lasts pretty long. Yeah. But you know, hindi pa tapos ng araw. We're still gonna see if how long will this last. And by the way, guys, update on my eyeshadow. It's still there. Like, still there. So that's it for my first update. The next time I come back, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. Binker. Time check, it is already 8:34. Hey guys, so I'm here for my last update because it's already 8:35 and gusto ko na mag-ayos. I mean, gusto ko na mag-retouch, gusto ko na i-retouch yung lips ko because I still have a long night to go. Mga 12 noon pa ako, 12 midnight pa ako matatapos sa work. So I just want to show you what my face looks like right now. Honestly, nag-oil up na yung T-zone ko because I do have an oily T-zone. But the highlight over here is still there. And I can still see na yung highlight na nilagay ko dito, andyan pa rin siya. That's not oil. That's legit highlight. And then, although ito nose ko, oily na talaga siya. Yung blush, nabawasan na siya, but you can still see it, right? Pero it's not as vibrant as the first application. Ang nagulat ako, oh my god, the eyeshadows. Ang ginamit ko is yung contour powder and a little bit of the blush powder, and it's still there. It's still solid. Like, it's like walang nagbago. Yeah. Now, for my lips. I mean, hindi na siya katulad nung Kulevu na deep plum pink color. Naging red na siya. And then, honestly, walang pinagkaiba yung nilagyan ko ng lip liner sa hindi ko nilagyan. I mean, yung lip liner, hindi naman siya nakakatulong para mag-stay ng bonggang-bongga. Kahit wala kang ilagay, the lasting power is the same. But I'm so surprised it lasted ng ganito katagal, ganong kadaming hours, because it's not kiss-proof. It's just like a lipstick na, ano mo yun, liquid lang. Which one is better? Yung Colored Velvet Tint, Skin Potions, or this one? I think Colorette, Vice, and then Skin Potions when it comes to the longevity. So, pag-usapan din pala natin yung formula. Yung mga powders, like the contour, the blush, and the highlight, hindi sila powdery at all. As in, wala siyang bonggang-bonggang tumatalsik na powder anywhere kapag dinip mo yung brush mo. So, that's good. That's plus points. Yung contour is very pigmented, so you have to be careful in applying. Paunti-unti lang. Yung blush, for the shade that I have, pigmented siya, pero hindi siya yung parang pagkalagay mo, nakaka-boom. pack, may chance ka naman na ilagay siya paunti-unti and to build up the color. I can't say para dun sa ibang mga shade kasi isa nga lang yung kinuha ko. Pero so far for 145 pesos, it's good. Alam mo yun, it's okay na. Pati yung highlight, lalo na, oh my god. For 145, super duper worth it. Bilhin yun. Actually, parang yung formula naman ng Velvet Lip Kit is just like any other liquid lipstick. It turns into matte eventually. Pero what I hate about it is it's not kiss-proof. Yun lang. Yun lang. Longevity, walang problema. It doesn't dry my lips. Full pack on yung pigmentation. It's just not kiss-proof. What's my overall thoughts? Do I highly recommend these products? I mean, obviously, of course, I do. But here's the thing. When it comes to the highlighters, you don't have to buy all three. Just pick one that really suits your skin tone. Is it the gold, the rose gold, or this one that I have, which is yung parang white tone. For the blushes naman, you don't have to buy all the blushes, to be completely honest. Kasi aminin nyo, ang dami-daming lumalabas na blushes nowadays, pero pag nilagay mo naman sa cheeks mo, parang iisa lang naman yung kulay nila. All you need is a coral color and a pink one. And then that's it. As a contour, we have Confirm and For Sure. And if I were you, go get Confirm. Kasi magagamit din yun if you have really deep skin tone. For the Phenomenal Velvet Lip Kit, you also don't have to get all the colors. Kasi una sa lahat, I admire na it's this long-lasting. Kaya lang medyo hassle kasi na hindi siya kiss-proof. So, lahat ng galawin ng labi ko, lahat ng inuman ko, lahat ng kainin ko, ma-transfer yung ano. And it's something that I don't like. I don't like eating my own lipstick. Get the colors that you think you don't have in your lippy collection. Siguro ko ibibenta nila to separately without the lip liner. Kasi wala namang, honestly, walang tulong yung lip liner. So if they're gonna sell this separately, I would probably buy more colors. Pero hanggat kasama pa yung lip kit, $295. Mahal. Hindi ko naman gagamitin yung lip liner. So what else? Yeah, basically that's it. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. All my social media accounts are linked down below, so be sure to check it out. Sana nag-enjoy kayo for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye!